Hi guys, welcome back to Tofuta Tech. In today's video, we'll show you how to create an appointment form using the Simply Schedule Appointments plugin in WordPress. These powerful plugins make it easy to set up and manage appointment bookings on your website. Follow our step-by-step guide and start scheduling appointment easily. So let's dive in. So to do this, you need to install plugin. So go to plugin, add new, and search for SSA. I have already installed earlier to create some forms. So I can see my all plugin here. That's here. So from there is already active. So when you install active, this drop down menu will be available on your dashboard. It's called appointments. So you just click this appointment button, and then from there you can set up your forms. So I already set up my forms earlier, so I cannot redo again. So this is the form I have on booking. So you can see the consultation for phone call booking on 4th of July. Uh, and this is the mainly dashboard, so you can create a booking new form and go to settings. So you can, there's a different setting here you can do before you create a forms, and then appointment type. So I created one, so it's already available on my dashboard, and you can create different labels for your appointment, then add new, and then appointment here. So all details is here. If you want to export, you can export this appointment and share with someone. And this is the all settings, support site, etc. And when you are, this is the free version I'm using. When you upgrade, there is a more feature to use. So to show you the how to create a new appointment, just go click appointment types, add new, and from here you can set up the duration, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, whatever. You can decrease, you can increase the time, and then this is default. And if you want a weekly, monthly, you can set up from here, and then you can write in this short message here. Then availability, if you want to active those button, then all you can set up, and then when you're happy with this, just save, and this will be available here. So if you want to use this appointment form, you just need to copy this link. You can copy from here, and then you need to go to your site. Just go back, then go back to your page, and wherever you want to paste, just click those paste, and uh, from there you need to paste this link. I just copied from there, so maybe I want to use on my contact page. Edit with Elementors, or you can edit from the WordPress site, which is easy for you, but I use Elementor. It's much easier and saving time. Just drag and drop. From here, you want to paste maybe under the here. So maybe click here and paste the link here. You can write the titles there. The consultation phone booking. Phone call booking. That's it. And this link already there, so I just update and refresh. Then go back to your page. Take a couple of minutes. And this is my site. See, the link is working. Contact us. It should look like that, but I think my browser's server is not working at the moment. But when this link you refresh, it's look like very similar to like I show you here. I just create earlier today the same form. So the form should be look like that. So here down below. So you can see I have just created one more form is automatically available here. I don't know, maybe the booking is automatically came here instead of the contact page. So yeah, when you click this, they will show you these details, so you can choose from there the time and date, select the date, and then book this appointment. You need to use your name, the email address, and book this, and this automatically ask you to set up on your Google Calendar, and that's all done. But I don't know why this form is automatically came to my resource page. uh, Maybe I was created the um, form earlier, so they automatically set up and send the form is same page instead of my resource page. Anyway, so when you're creating those forms, it's look like that on your page. So you can, your visitors can book consultation, any feedback, anything. So you can use those form. You can just change the heading and timing and put your details, and is ready to go. That's all for this video. Hope this video is helpful for you. Do let me know if you have any issues to create this form. I'm always happy to help. And thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Until then, bye bye.